Hi, this is just going to be a quick video on how to replace your center brake light on a 2004 Nissan Sentra. This will also work for the years 2000 through 2006. Basically, there's a clip here on the interior side, and there's another clip on the windshield side, the rear windshield. You're just going to push forward on this and then just slide it out. And if you turn it, this is where the bulb is. You're going to turn this counterclockwise. And this is the new bulb. It's Sylvania 921. It says long life. I replaced this about a year ago, so it's not that long of a life. I'll put the new bulb in now. You just turn this counterclockwise. Actually, you just pull this straight out, sorry. Insert the new one. Before you put the harness back on and reinsert it, you just want to step on your brake pedal and make sure it lights up. And there you go. So we know it's working. We're just going to reinsert. Oh, sorry about that. We're just going to reinsert the harness back in. Just make sure the tabs line up, and then turn it turn it clockwise. Then we'll insert the windshield clip first, and then the interior clip second, and just push down and it snaps into place. So it's a quick and easy fix. Hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.